Time is 11:48 on your Tuesday. And there's still some mugginess out there right now, Rob. Still some rain we're dealing with. When do we expect this to clear out? Yeah,
we got about 24 more hours to go before that big final cold front sweeps through and clears us out and really brings in that big taste of fall for North Alabama. Muscle Shoals right now, you'll notice clouds kind of starting to bubble up here as we head into the early afternoon hours. Seeing quite a bit of blue skies breaking through with temperatures now at 80. And that's going to be the fuel for more scattered showers and storms heading through this afternoon. So some of those storms could produce some heavy rain, but also lightning as the kids are heading home from school today, along with some gusty winds and still those lingering flood issues because the ground is saturated. The creeks, streams, all the drainage systems, they are running high and fast right now. So just a quick little thunderstorm could push many areas back into flood stage. So please be careful out there. We are expecting the heaviest rain to arrive later tonight after the sunset and even into the overnight hours with lingering rain for tomorrow morning. So unfortunately, it looks like still some rain for that morning commute. But again, those chances drop off as we head later into the morning hours for your Wednesday. So this is what we're tracking right now on the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. You'll notice what's left of all this rain, mostly east of I-65. This was actually a cluster of some heavier rainfall from thunderstorms earlier this morning. That has since weakened as it drifts into Marshall County and even into Madison and Lincoln County, Tennessee. But if you look further off to the west, we're also starting to see some of our pop-up showers and storms developing closer to the Mississippi state line. So that's what's left of some of that heavier rain from earlier. Still some pockets of moderate rainfall impacting Marshall County, kind of drifting towards Douglas. Also drifting towards Gunnersville. But again, this continues to weaken with every minute that we track that on the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. Starting to see these showers and storms developing. These are drifting to the southeast and seeing some pockets of moderate rainfall moving right over top of Highway 72. Just to the southeast now of Cherokee. Again, that's moving away from Cherokee, but we're just getting started with plenty more to go heading through this afternoon. Look at all the flood warnings. We actually only have one flood warning in place right now, which is shocking considering how much rain we've picked up over the last 5 days. But the Paint Rock River at Woodville still in flood stage, and it's actually into moderate flood stage, but expected to drop off through the next couple of days back below flood stage. Future radar and satellite, 1 o'clock this afternoon, seeing all those scattered showers and thunderstorms. Nothing too widespread, but still there's that threat for heavy rain, poor visibility and lightning all the way through that evening commute. And then this is it, 7:30 this evening. You'll notice a little bit of a lull over top of North Alabama, but look off to the west-northwest. Heavy rain with embedded thunderstorms. This line of thunderstorms is expected to weaken, though, as it moves into North Alabama later this evening and tonight, but still more rainfall on top of what we've already seen. And that continues all the way through 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, unfortunately, right on top of I-65, Decatur, Athens, right at 7 a.m. for that Wednesday morning commute. That races off to the east, and that's it, other than a sprinkler or two into your Wednesday afternoon as that fall air rushes in behind it, just in time for that fall equinox tomorrow. Forecast wind gusts, and you'll notice the winds ramping up right around 6-7 a.m. tomorrow morning. If you're going to see this big change in air mass with all that dry, cooler air moving in, it usually comes with some gusty winds. So those northwest winds will be picking up with that cooler air moving in. And just look at the forecast once we get past tomorrow morning. Wednesday afternoon, highs in the low 70s with partly to mostly sunny skies. Sunny skies on Thursday with highs staying in the low 70s. And look at the overnight lows. First 40s of the season. 47 is the forecast low for Friday morning. There will be some of our typical cooler spots that go even lower than that and staying pleasant all the way through this first weekend in the fall season. Megan?
Thank you, Rob.